Merry Christmas, everyone. My name is Bill Benson, and I'm doing my first unboxing video of my new camera. I got the new Canon EOS Ra. Very excited. I'm an astrophotographer, and this is just what I needed. So first thing we got in the box is just regular paperwork on the warranty and instructions. And then looks like we got a really thick instruction booklet. It's got all the information in it. It's probably in several languages. So got that. Okay, I got the battery. It's a battery charger. It's nice because it doesn't have a long cord that you have to worry about. You can plug it right into the wall. It's really small and nice. And got some of the power cords and adapters. That way I can plug it into a TV or what to watch my videos and stuff. Now for the main items. There's no lens that came with this one, but I have already bought a lens. Here we got the cord. Nice. Basic Canon EOS. Okay. And then the main object here is the camera. It's basically just like the EOS R, but it's got a different filter in there. It allows a lot more of the hydrogen alpha light in. So I like the swivel screen. It's always a cool thing. You can see that and get it. See from the front. You can turn it around, and then the neat thing also is this. It's totally articulated, so I can instead of having to deep dive into the menu, I can do it all from the screen. And I have to charge the battery up and everything. But just wanted to do this quick unboxing. The neat thing is also, when it's turned off, you don't have to worry about dirt getting on the sensor when you're putting a lens on. It actually has a little screen that goes right into there, so that's pretty neat. Wish all the other cameras have that. Some of the other items I've already bought for the camera. So I got a 35mm R lens that comes with it. Well, I mean, it doesn't come with it, but I bought it separately. And it has that neat control ring, so I can't wait to start using that. I got an extra battery, so what I did is I got the battery grip, so then I can hook that up to the bottom, and that'll give me a lot more gripping power, but also it'll have double the battery power. It even has another little slide tray, not this one, but another one where you can actually put AA batteries in it, so you can do it both ways, so that's really cool. And it has a cord where you can supposedly charge it right, you know, while they're in here instead of separately. So I got that. So just wanted to let y'all know this is my first video, and hopefully, you know, I'll do some more coming up and actually showing using the camera, hooking it into my telescope and also with the lenses. And I have a Star Trekker mount so I can guide to the stars. So I can't wait to give that a try. So that's it for right now. Thanks a lot. Bye-bye.